Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another episode of the Sunday Essay Club. I hope you all have been writing essays every week with us and also using Yuki to structure your essays. आज का हमारा टॉपिक होने वाला है इट इज़ बेस्ट टू सी लाइफ एज अ जर्नी not as a destination. This was asked by UPSC in the 2025 मेंस एग्जाम. अभी तक हमने जितने टॉपिक्स डिस्कस करे हैं all were previously asked by UPSC. So you can go and check out those discussions on Yuki's YouTube channel. Let's begin with today's topic. It says it is best to see life as a journey, not as a destination. So you have to emphasize the process and experiences of life over the mere achievement of end goals. एंड गोल्स उतने इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं हैं जितने लाइफ में लर्निंग्स, फेलियर्स, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस, ग्रोथ, ये सब चीज़ें ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है लाइफ में. यू बेसिकली हैव टू वैल्यू द प्रोसेस ऑफ लिविंग ओवर द एंड गोल्स, ओवर आउटकम्स. यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन कंटिन्यूअस ग्रोथ, लर्निंग, resilience rather than fixating solely on outcomes. Let's now discuss the Q-phase based introduction. Q-phase stands for quote, fact, anecdote, context and example. एक एक करके we'll discuss all these elements. First one is quote. It says success is a journey, not a destination. The doing is often more important than the outcome. This quote was given by Arthur Ashe. Arthur Ashe is an American tennis player and उन्होंने बहुत सारे Grand Slam titles भी जीते. तो उनका ये quote है, he is saying that doing is often more important than the outcome. So you can very well link it to your essay topic that it is best to see life as a journey, not as a destination. Life की जो true value है, true importance है, it lies actually in living. In living those experiences, learning से सीखना, transformation, embracing growth, not on the final goals. So basically this is what you will talk about if you use this quote as your introduction. Arthur Ashe का ये quote आप mention कर सकते हो. Next element is fact. यूकी ने यहाँ एक fact दिया है. It says according to a 75-year-old Harvard study on adult development, happiness and fulfillment are found in meaningful relationships and experiences, not in achieving specific milestones. So when you start your essays by some study, कोई report quote करके start करते हो, so such things, such statistics or such data, they always add weightage to your arguments. So this is another way of introducing your essay. Let's come to the third element, that is anecdote. Yuki एक anecdote दे रहा है. When Mahatma Gandhi was asked about his goals, he replied, "My life is my message," signifying that the journey of living with values mattered more than any particular achievement. So this is a very nice way of starting your essay. My life is my message. It very well links with your topic कि life is a journey. And गांधी जी ने value किया कि journey of living with values mattered more than any one particular achievement. That is why he said that his whole life is his message. Let's come to the fourth element, context. In today's fast-paced world, many chase after achievements, often overlooking the lessons and joys embedded in the process. This essay explores why embracing life as a journey leads to deeper fulfillment. Now focus on the line, this essay explores. यही वाले जो connecting lines हैं, these are the linkages that you use when you transition from introduction to body. तो आप इस लाइन को कहीं भी किसी भी essay में use कर सकते हो. This essay explores and then the rest of the things. So this is what you get to learn when you use platforms like Yuki. आपकी structuring बहुत अच्छे से होती है essay की. Let's come to the last element, example. Consider the civil services aspirant who through years of preparation not only gains knowledge but also resilience, discipline and empathy, qualities that outlast the exam result itself. And इसको आप बहुत अच्छे से लिंक कर पाओगे कि it is best to see life as a journey and not as a destination. क्योंकि सिविल सर्विसेज की प्रेपरेशन करते करते we learn the values, the qualities which outlast the exam result itself. That is why life is a journey. जो experiences हैं वो ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हैं than the last outcome. So these were the 5 ways of introducing your essay. Let's now come to the main body. So body में you start by saying that life comes with its myriad challenges and opportunities. That is why it is important to see it as a journey and not as a destination. Now when you perceive life as a journey, तो क्या होता है? It promotes continuous learning and growth. Viewing life as a journey encourages ongoing self-improvement and adaptability. It fosters curiosity and even openness to new experiences. यहाँ पे यूकी बोलता है कि studies show that a growth mindset leads to higher achievement and well-being. You can quote such evidences. Then what else happens when you start perceiving life as a journey? It reduces the stress and anxiety associated with fixed outcomes. जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा एक फिक्स्ड गोल पे फोकस करने लगते हैं ना, तो इट ऑल्सो ब्रिंग स्ट्रेस और बहुत ज़्यादा अनड्यू प्रेशर आने लगता है. बट इट विल नॉट हैपन इफ़ यू व्यू लाइफ एज अ जर्नी. और जर्नी में क्या होता है, अप्स एंड डाउन्स आते ही हैं. तो हम जर्नी की तरह देखते हैं अगर लाइफ को, तो इन सब चीज़ों का जो प्रेशर है वो थोड़ा कम होने लगता है. एंड यू स्टार्ट लर्निंग फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंसेस. यू स्टार्ट एम्ब्रेसिंग ग्रोथ. You focus solely on destinations that will create undue pressure and disappointment if goals are not met. तो यहाँ पे आप एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हो APJ अब्दुल कलाम का, that how first he failed to become a pilot, but later he redirected his journey and he went on to become the missile man of India and even later the president of India. So it is very important to focus on the fact that he did not get disappointed if one goal was not met. What he did was he redirected his energies, he considered life as a journey and he moved ahead. That is important. WHO reports highlight rising stress levels among youth due to performance pressures. This is another statistics कि WHO की रिपोर्ट आप कोट कर सकते हो, ये डेटा डाल सकते हो. Then seeing life as a journey, it builds resilience and perseverance. Life's journey is filled with setbacks. So when you value the process, that helps individuals bounce back from failures. Many successful UPSC candidates clear the exam after multiple attempts, learning from each failure. I don't think I need to give any examples here. All of us know there are actually more aspirants who take many number of attempts to clear the exam. Next point is it encourages ethical and value-based living. The journey perspective emphasizes integrity, empathy, and ethical conduct over mere success. It aligns with the UPSC's emphasis on values and ethics in public administration. So when you link your essay with the civil services or even with the society, तो आप examiner को basically बता रहे हो कि that you are coming with that mindset of becoming a civil servant. You already know what UPSC values. Let's now come to the last argument. It says enhances satisfaction and fulfillment. When you view life as a journey, it enhances the satisfaction and fulfillment. Enjoying the journey leads to greater life satisfaction as individuals find meaning in daily actions. You start finding meaning and joy in everyday things. It prevents the emptiness that can follow from the attainment of a single goal. So this was all about the key arguments that you can do right in the body of your essay. Let's now come to the conclusion. Conclusion where you basically summarize everything. You say that perceiving life as a journey rather than a destination that nurtures continuous growth, resilience and ethical conduct. But conclusion में you also say that in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says to not to focus on the outcome but to keep on doing their duty, to keep on doing their work. वैसे ही life is not a destination. It is a journey where you keep on learning. It does not stop at one outcome. Life is a journey that keeps on evolving and it keeps on growing. So this was all about today's essay discussion. For your own benefit, please sit down and write this essay. Take Yuki's help for structuring it. Thank you for watching and all the best.